What is causing a strange, spooky hum sound to fill parts of San Francisco? A renovation designed to make the Golden Gate Bridge last longer just made it much more annoying, and here's why that's happening. The Golden Gate Bridge now hums. San Francisco residents shared recordings of the sound on social media a little while ago over the weekend as high winds swept through the Bay Area. One Twitter user described the sound as three-tone dissonant soundtrack, and others reported hearing it from as far away as 3 miles or 4.8 kilometers away. Reed tweeted, "The Golden Gate Bridge has just become the world's largest wind instrument." SF311, which provides non-emergency services and information for San Francisco residents, tweeted that slats installed along the bridge's bike path were responsible for the noise, citing the Golden Gate Bridge sergeant, an officer with the California Highway Patrol. The local National Weather Service office tweeted that west-northwest winds of 30 to 35 miles an hour had been reported in the area, with gusts up to 43 miles an hour. Even higher winds were reported in nearby counties. KQED reported that the slats were added as part of a necessary long-term effort to make the 83-year-old bridge more aerodynamic and ensure that its long-term structural integrity would be holding it up. Wind tunnel models of the retrofit had already shown the slats might hum under certain conditions. The effect has turned the bridge into a giant wind instrument, maybe the world's largest, as the Twitter user noted. Sheeran says, "As much as I would have loved this eerie sound to be aliens coming for us, apparently it's the installation of new wind resistance railing on the Golden Gate." Now, the University of New South Wales in Australia offers a helpful online guide to sounds like this. In general, wind instruments work by turning the energy of moving air into standing waves, the pattern of vibration moving back and forth in the instrument. The instrument's cavity determines the frequency and thus the sound of that standing wave, and the instrument itself amplifies the wave into a sound loud enough to hear. The details of this process vary widely from ancient flutes to oboes to a glass bottle someone might be blowing over. Materials, tuning, and airflow determine what sounds get produced. But whatever particular dynamics of the bridge slats that have produced this eerie sound, it looks like San Francisco will have to get used to it on windy days. This is published on Live Science and by Rafi Zeltzer. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.